Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Mughal and today's Viva topic is control statements in Java. Control statements in Java manage the flow of execution in a program by determining which block of code should execute under specific conditions. They are essential for creating logic in programs and controlling iterations, decision making and branching. Categories of control statements. Control statements in Java are broadly divided into three types. That is, first one, decision making statements. Second one is looping statements. And third one is jump statement. First of all, we will see about decision making statements. Decision making statements are the statements that allow the program to make decision based on conditions and execute a specific block of code accordingly. First one, if statement. The if statement evaluates a condition, and if the condition is true, the block of code inside the if is the block of code inside the if is executed. Then second one is if else statement. The if else statement which provides two paths, one for when the condition is true and another for when it is false. If condition is true, then it will execute if block, otherwise it will go to else if else if ladder. This is used when multiple conditions need to be evaluated sequentially. Switch statements. The switch statements is used for decision making based on the value of variable or an expression. It is an alternative to multiple if else conditions. Next one is looping statements. Looping statements allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly until a condition is false. For loop. The for loop is used when the number of iterations is known beforehand. It means that when we know the iteration, then we go for loop. Next one is while loop. The while loop is used when the condition is evaluated before each iteration, or we don't know the range of performing iteration. Do while loop. The do while loop is similar to while loop, but the code block is executed at least once as the condition is checked after the execution. It means that do while loop first of all execute all the conditions, all the statements, and then go for condition. Next one is jump statement that are used to alter the normal flow of a loop or switch statements. Break statement. The break statement exits the loop or switch immediately. Next one is continue statement. The continue statement skips the current iteration of a loop and proceeds to the next iteration. Next one is return statement. The return statement exits a method and optionally returns a value. It means that the return statement returns whatever we want to return from that value. Conclusion. Control statements are essential for building logical and structured programs in Java. By mastering decision making, looping, and jump statements, developers can handle complex programs efficiently. Control statements in Java are the backbone of program logic, enabling decision making, iteration, and flow control. They allow developers to create dynamic and flexible programs by determining which code executes under specific conditions. Mastering these statements is essential for writing efficient and structured Java applications. Thank you.